Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fedex application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password and you will be logged in and taken into the home page. Once you are within this page, if you wish to change the currency within your account, just tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on Settings. Within the settings page, you will see various different options, including your country or territory. Go ahead and click on this, and now in order to change your currency, you can simply choose the country corresponding to the currency that you wish to use. Just tap on the country of your preferred currency, and this will change your application interface and the currency based on your preference right away. You can come back to this menu and make your changes as many times as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on Fedex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.